career also, and it can resonate you or cannot. Please take those messages what resonate you and leave the rest. And I have one request for you, that if you think my videos are helpful for you in somewhere, so please share my video on your social media accounts. It will be help from you toward me. So let's start your reading, Sagittarius. Let's see what's coming up for you in the month of August regarding your love life. So what are the messages for Sagittarius? What are the messages for Sagittarius for the month of August regarding your love life? What are the messages for Sagittarius for the month of August? Okay, so underneath the deck you are having Four of Pentacles. Definitely you are very much insecure and heartbroken. There is a third party situation. You are feeling past pains. Okay, let's see other messages. Four of Swords, Nine of Cup, King of Cup, Ten of Wands, King of Pentacles, Four of Cups, Knight of Cups, Hangman, Five of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. So Sagittarius, let's start your reading now. So as I say that underneath the deck you are having Four of Pentacles, Three of Swords, Nine of Swords. You are having a lot of worries on your mind, or you are having sleepless night about something, or you are thinking about something a lot, and getting disappointed. Maybe this is a past pain which is hurting you in the month of August, and you are not opening up yourself, or you are feeling insecurity. So when you are entering in the month of August, like when you are ending the July month, July end days, someone who is water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces will be prominent in your situation, in your maybe in your surroundings, or maybe you are dealing with a Scorpio, or you are holding your emotions back, or you are not showing your emotion to your person, or this person may be offering this cup to you, and they are mature in their feelings for you. Or maybe it can be any person with whom you are dealing, because it's a general reading, so it can be any relationship. It can be your siblings, your friends, or your father, whoever this person is. This person will be a prominent person. Or when you are entering in a month of August, like in the start of the month, you are dealing with a someone who is very much stable, or maybe you are dealing with the earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or maybe this is your person with whom you are in a marriage contract. This person will offer you show their emotions to you if there is a heartbreak or no talking situation. So this person first will offer you, show their emotion to you, and then they will come back to you for the solid commitment. Or if these are two different persons, this person will be prominent when you are about to enter in an August month, or this person will be prominent when you have entered in an August month, like starting days of August. This pentacle person, King of Pentacle, will be prominent. It can be any sign, but this person will be very much grounded and mature in their thinking, and they are coming towards you to offer their some kind of stability. And maybe this person is very much workaholic, or they do some kind of business which is going good. So maybe This is a very much practical person you are dealing when you are entering, when you are starting your month. So what is your current energies, or maybe it will be an energy of mid month. You are just relaxing, like your worries are over, as you were having a lot of worries, and anxiety, so you were not able to sleep well, and you were just crying overnight. So after entering of this person, maybe you will feeling very much relaxed and you are in a mental peace and can take your sleep well. So it can be a thing, or you are not just you are not taking any kind of decision, you are just relaxing, you are not thinking anything anymore. So you are making yourself relax and meditating in somewhere in your mind, that there are a lot of responsibility, you are having a lot of burden and responsibility on your shoulder. So you will think that if this person is coming towards you, or maybe this is a workaholic person, they are giving you some kind of responsibilities if it's a work situation. So you are maybe working with this person, or this person is giving you some kind of responsibility, or if it's a marriage situation, it's a love connection. So you are having you will think to take the responsibility of this relationship again. So what is in your near future, someone is not showing their emotions, they are not interested. So if this person is coming toward you, you are not accepting their cup. If it's a reconciliation situation, so this person, or maybe this person is not ready to take your cup, or maybe you are not ready to take this person's cup. I think you are giving your cup of love to this person, or maybe you are showing your emotions to this person. So there is someone, maybe you are dealing with a water sign. So you are showing your emotion, you are showing your cup of love, but this person, you are ready to give this cup, and this person is just waiting for you. It's like that, they are waiting for something else. There is a conflict still there, so this person wants you to solve this conflict first, then this person can show their emotions. It can be a situation, but you are not interested to solve this issue, whatever situation is it. And you are not ready to solve this issue, because you are on a right place, and you are just enjoying your singlehood. Or maybe if this person is coming towards you, and there was a third party, so at the end of the month, third party will remove, and you will become self-sufficient, and you will enjoy your abundance of your life independently. So let's see what is the. And one thing I forgot to tell you, that if you are relaxing, and you're just not thinking, you're just trying to relax, make yourself relax, but what is crossing you, it's a nine of cup. So some kind of wish is coming toward in your relaxing mood. If it's like that, you are just not let your you are just stopping yourself to think about your wishes, what you have, you are wishing for your connection in this month, but your wishes are always come in your um, path, so they are not letting you to be relaxed. So you are just overthinking about your wishes, whatever you want in your life, in this connection, is it is just bothering you again and again. So let's see what is the romance angel oracle message for you for the month of August. Okay, a lot of cards. One more message for Sagittarius from romance angel oracle deck. Okay, let's see what are the other messages. A lot of things bothering you. No message anymore, but I'll try again. So soulmate, keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectation, and the soulmate card is also here. This, yes, this is your soulmate. So it's a soulmate type of thing, like with whoever this person is coming in your life, whether it's a two person or whether it's the same persons and they have two or attributes they are showing in this in the month of August. So there, this person is your soulmate, and you have to take your cup if this person is coming towards you, and this is your biggest wish, and they or maybe this is this person's biggest wish to come towards you. So this person is, if this person is coming toward you and offer you to their cup, so this person is a soulmate to you. You have to be keep your mind open, because if whether if this person is different from you, but this is the connection of soul, not just a physical connection, just a connection of soul. So this person is your soulmate. You have to open your mind, and you should resolve the conflict, and don't let this person wait. If you can message them, you can if you are ready to message them, you can message them. So let's see what's number message for you, Sagittarius. Okay, my number is 777. Relax. Here, universe is asking you to relax. Give up your control of what is going on to happen next, and instead embrace the present and trust that everything is always working out for you. So if you are crying overnight, universe is asking you not overthinking about your wishes, because things are working on your favor, in your favor, and you have to be just relaxed. So don't think too much about your wishes, and just thinking about your person who is coming towards you, and don't show their sadness or detachment from this person. So Sagittarius, that was your reading for the month of August. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.